Hi there, students. Acme. This is a good word, acme. It's a noun. It means the best or the most perfect that something can be. The best, the best, very best that can be achieved. So, for example, I don't know, for a somebody who plays rugby to play for England at Twickenham would be the acme of success, the highest thing that can be achieved. Okay, the top, the most important. So the acme, the really it means the highest point. Yeah, the most developed stage. Yeah, the culmination. So I don't know, as a scientist, receiving a Nobel Prize is the acme of success. Yeah. Okay, also you can use it to talk about somebody who's a paragon, a person or a thing that represents the highest point. So this painting is the acme of 18th century portraiture. Yeah. Okay. So the acme, the very top. Yeah, the most of the mostest. Yeah, the highest point. So the acme of somebody's career. Yeah, the empire was at the acme of its power. When was Rome at its acme? Yeah. This item is the acme of perfection. This recipe that or food that you've made me is the acme of perfection. Yeah. So yes, this lady is incredibly stylish. She is the acme of good taste. Yeah. She knows what good taste is. Okay. So the acme, something at the highest point of achievement, the highest point that you can reach, par excellence. Yeah. His work reached its acme about 20 years ago. Its culmination, the point of culmination, the very best, the most of the mostest. Yeah, so this film is much acclaimed as the acme of cinematic arts. It's the acme of cinema. Okay, formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 7 in formality. I think if you use it in an informal conversation, people are going to know the word, but they're not going to know what it means. The high point, the maximum, yeah, the very best would be probably better phrases to use. The summit, the peak, the climax, yeah, the pinnacle, its zenith, its apex, its apogee. Yeah, the highest point. Yeah, the crest of the crest. It's superlative. Okay. Now, as to origin, I quite like the origin of this. You know the cartoons with the Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote? Well, all of the things that Wile E. Coyote buys to catch the Roadrunner are made by the Acme Corporation. Yeah, and this was a fictional corporation which supplied the Roadrunner. I believe there was actually an Acme screw thread company in the late 19th century, and this word acme was being used by many companies because it got you to the top of the telephone directory. Yeah, and if you're on the top of the telephone directory, then you get called. Okay, so Acme, But this word means the top, the best of. Okay, the most highest point. And then it comes from ancient Greek, or comes directly from ancient Greek. The word acme, meaning the point, the high point, the top. So that's very easy. So acme, a great word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Acme.